Yep. This is BESSIE. We just got out of the shop. Put this mat in here. Don't get dirty. There's the inside there. Put new carpet in there. Reupholstered the seat. That's good, huh? So you got flip screen. See that top part there? I did the same as the thing seat there.
Oh, no.
This section.
Yeah.
I put the same material on top. Start her up. I want to be married.
No.
It's so dirty. I repainted these blue myself. Like a white and blue here. Wash it up. Polish this up with some pure wool. Engine was clean. I think we wash the engine again. It's kind of dirty. Repainted all this black inside here again. This is blue. Really wash the engine. Paint it up there blue. Did a good job. I had them paint the Bob white some rims. I had them paint this the same color as this. That way it'll match to the white color. And you see this. I did polish this stuff. I don't know why it turned yucky again. It was this shiny here. So I need to get the aluminum cleaner with the mothers or the wires and then just a real fine steel wool. It'll turn black and I'll wipe it down. It'll get real shiny. What's in here? I painted this black myself. I took it home. What's here? Then when I fade it out, I paint it black myself. That's good, huh? So the parts, though, you need some nice-sized tires. I don't want to be like extra sticking out like that.
Yeah.
Just regular, nice-sized tires. This height, 15-inch rims. Good white tires. We'll ride it?